HUAYI is a leading manufacturing and exporting company, specializing in high-quality steering racks, steering pumps, and rubber products for the automotive industry. Our enterprise is located at Ruian City, renowned as China's capital of automobile parts. We have established strong, long-term partnerships with hundreds of local manufacturers, enabling us to offer a diverse and reliable product range. As a trusted partner, we represent our suppliers in global markets, handling product development, sales, and export operations to ensure international customers receive top-tier automotive products. At HUAYI, we prioritize exceptional quality, competitive pricing, and outstanding customer service, the core principles that drive our success. Let us meet your automotive parts needs and build a lasting business relationship.